What's going on, YouTube family? Garrett back with another video. Today we are stopping at our good friend Burlington Coat Factory, hopefully going to find some products to flip on Amazon. If you're new to the channel, my name is Garrett. I'm a full-time seller online. That's how I make my living. So if that's something that interests you, definitely consider joining the family by smashing that subscribe button. But I'm not going to waste any more time. Let's head on into Burlington and see what they got. Let's go. I always like to check out the hats. They don't really look like they got much, and all the ones they do got, they just put the stickers over the labels. I can't scan them. Sometimes I'll try to pull the labels off so I can scan it. But with a hat, it's material, so I don't want to just pull the whole label off. It just ain't gonna work. Ties, nothing. Do you guys ever have any luck with like wallets? I've sold a few, but I don't really find too many good ones. So let me know down in the comments if you guys have any luck. Ooh, I wonder, I might get one of these. Skills, gated. Always look at the t-shirts. These might be good, probably not though. Those might be money. What else do we got? Any Calvin Klein? Those might be good. Those might be good. So I'm gonna get to scanning and see if any of this stuff is profitable. Alright guys, so these Fruit of the Looms men's boxer briefs are selling for $35 on Amazon. Payout around $25. They're $12.99. Let's go. So I just saw the guy putting out a bunch of new backpacks. These are all Adidas, Puma, Nike Elites. These are gonna be money if they're priced right. Let's see. $29, yep, I'm taking that. We got another one. Yep. I saw these all day for $80 on Amazon. But I'm going to scan through the rest of these and see if we can find any more profitable ones. Just scan through all the blankets and stuff. I thought this would have been worth money because it's Pokemon, but it's not even listed. But don't be afraid to come check the bedding, especially for kids, like the cartoon characters, because you will find some that are extremely, extremely profitable. So always be on the lookout. Come on, where are all the profits at? Any of this look like it's worth money? Maybe that, but I'm not gonna waste my time because it's probably not. Let's see if there's anything I recognize down these aisles. There's money in mugs for sure. I just don't know much about them, and I don't like manually searching stuff up because it takes too long for my liking. But, ooh. It was still the beginning of the CV. Those would be worth a lot of money. But candy. How do you guys feel about selling food items from Marshall's or like Burlington or TJ Maxx? I don't really feel too comfortable doing that just because it's like, you just never know what you're getting. Sun Warrior is a good brand. Let me scan that though. It's weird. Some of these backpacks are priced at like $12.99, and then other ones that are shittier backpacks are priced at like $30. It makes no sense. See, I could make like $8 on these after all my cost shipping it in, but spending $25, it is a fast selling item. But I don't know if I want to spend $25 to make like $7, especially at an item from Burlington that might tank and I might sit on it. So on to the next. But this is what we got: a bunch of red Nike backpacks, a few Nike Elite backpacks, all black. Some lunch pails, make like $3 to $5 on those. Those are just quick sellers, and then some men's underwear. But let's keep it going. All right, guys, just left Burlington. Got quite a bit of stuff. All those backpacks mostly. A couple packs of those underwear. I wish I had more of those underwear. Those were pretty good profits. Mostly everything was at least 100% return on investment as of the prices right now. Like, I'll pop up some of the things on the screen like throughout the video so you guys can see the payouts, the profits, and stuff like that. But like those Nike Elite backpacks, the lowest FBA offer is like $112. I paid $29. I sell those for $79 and upwards all day. I'm not sure how well they're gonna sell at $112. They're definitely still selling at $112. There's 5 people on the listing, so I might keep them at $112. I might list them at $99, depending on if they're taking a little while to move. But if they sell for $112, that could be a potential of like $50, $60 profit per backpack. Then the smaller red Nike backpacks were going for like 40 something, 50 something. But they're only $14.99, so I picked them all up. Definitely fast, quick sellers. I've sold that same style of Nike backpack before. But definitely be careful, guys, if you're going to go into Burlington and look for backpacks. I didn't go really deep on like any of those Jordan ones at full price because I've been doing this for many years. I know the cycles at all these different stores. All these backpacks are going to go on steep discounts and clearance, as well as those lunch boxes I picked up. I just picked up a few kind of for fun, to fill my cart up more. Got to fill up that full cart, but definitely don't go deep on this stuff right now at full prices. Once people aren't buying it and it's sitting on their shelves and they want to move it, those backpacks will drop down to $12.99. Those lunch boxes will drop down to $2.99, $3.99, $4.99. And then once that happens, go and clear them all out, and then you'll have a good amount of stock. But I think we might hit one more store. There's a Dick's Sporting Goods right here, so let's head on over there and see if we can find any more profits. Well, guys, that is gonna wrap it up for this one. Dick's Sporting Goods didn't have anything great at all. Their prices actually really sucked. And it's the Dick's Sporting Goods warehouse sale, and they have no good sales. Like, I swear it's probably cheaper at the regular Dick's Sporting Goods. But that is gonna be it for this video. I have to get home and sign for a wholesale order that is getting dropped off here within the next couple hours, so I don't want to miss that. But I had some requests from you guys that you want to see kind of my process of what do I do when a wholesale order gets dropped off, how do I go about sorting stuff, prepping it, so on and so forth. So I'm going to film that video for you guys, so expect that on the next one. So you're definitely going to want to stay tuned. But other than that, guys, I will see you on the next video.